Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on all event subscriptions on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Roblox app. So all you have to do is to just go down here, you click here on the sign here and down, then it's going to take you here in this window and all you have to do now. So you just go down here and you click here on settings here, then it's going to take you here in this window. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on notifications, then it's going to take you here to next step. So just hold on a second to open with you this window here. So just waiting for this window and you click here on Roblox platform, then you come here to event subscriptions. Here you will click here on all, and like you see now, it's on all event subscriptions on your Roblox app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.